Welcome to our channel. My name is Crystal. Today I'm in the kitchen. In this video I'm going to be sharing a very quick, easy recipe that I make during the week in the summer months using up vegetables from our garden or things that are open in our refrigerator or whatever. It's just a quick and easy pasta dinner that is from start to finish, usually done in like 30 minutes. I usually make extra pasta on the side for the kids that don't really like any of the sauce. It also reheats well for lunches, so I made extra too so that we could have it in containers and my husband can bring it for lunch and reheat it at work. I think I made this like a week or two ago with some of the zucchini that we were getting from the garden. So here it is. Hope you enjoy it. On our monthly dinner menu, I have down veggie pasta. So I'm cutting up a couple of the zucchinis from our garden. They're not the big ones, they're small. And then I also have some onion, those mini sweet peppers that you can get from the store. I have those roughly chopped up also. And then to the boiling water, I'm going to add a palm full of salt. I have a couple pounds of the whole wheat pasta. I have 2 boxes, they're a pound each. I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna preheat the Dutch oven here. I like to use this as a skillet sometimes because it's got high sides and I can put the lid on to keep the sauce warm. But we're gonna preheat that a little bit. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And wait for that to heat up. Now we're gonna add the onions. Those cook down. I've also got 3 cloves of some of the garlic that we grew. And I have a horrible knife to do this, but I really didn't want to dirty many dishes. Zucchini. Are you gonna eat some of this? Yeah. And I'm gonna let that cook down so the vegetables get kind of tender, and then I'm gonna add in some other stuff. The pasta drained, and I'm going to add some butter and olive oil. Good stir. Okay, let's cook down quite a bit. So now the colors of like the zucchini and the peppers are really bright, and the zucchini isn't completely cooked yet, but I don't want it to be because I don't want it to get too mushy when I make the sauce. So I'm literally using things up that we have. I had this can open in the refrigerator, so I'm going to add some of this corn. And I also have a quart-sized jar of whole tomatoes that I canned up last September. That's how that looks. I'm just gonna break up those tomatoes. and bring this up to a boil. I also reserved a little bit of pasta water. It's salty and starchy, and it will just add to the sauce a little bit. I'm also going to pour some of this back into the pasta. Right now it's more of like a soup consistency, and I want it to thicken up a little bit. So I'm going to bring it up to a boil. That will also cook the zucchini a little bit more and evaporate some of the water. While it's doing that, I'm going to put in some oregano leaves. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. I'm trying to find some of my basil, but I can't find it. What are you doing, Lila? Found some basil. Some pasta. If you wanted to add like chicken or shrimp, this would be really, really good with that too. But try and do like a vegetarian meal once a week where there's no meat in it for dinner. So I have a whole wheat pasta with hearty vegetables, and it's really good. I also keep the plain whole wheat pasta off to the side. A couple of my kids, they don't like that stuff. They'll get carrots or peas or green beans on the side with their plain pasta. That's why I put butter and olive oil on it with the salty water, and it makes it perfect, and it has some flavor, but it's, you know, the right amount of boring for the kids. And it tastes really good. That's another reason why I didn't add too much salt to the sauce, because there was salt in some of the pasta water that I added, and the pasta itself was cooked in it. That is not the fire alarm. That is our amazing air fryer that I love so much. And I've got ciabatta bread in here. That needs more time. I have to get the kids out of the pool and washed up, and then I'll show you my plate. Before I make the plates, I want to show you something. If you notice how like watery the sauce was before, and we let it boil down a little bit, and it cooked the zucchini perfectly by adding a little bit of that pasta water, letting it cook down a little bit, evaporating some of that excess water, and then adding the pasta to it. It's like every pasta is perfectly coated. And that's my plate. It would be a lot better with freshly grated Parmesan, but I don't have any of that right now. That is a easy, healthy vegetable pasta for a weeknight dinner. Took like maybe 30 minutes. So that's it. Very basic, very easy. It actually tastes better the longer it kind of marinates together. I would put it in the containers. I think I had some of it cold with a salad the day after, and Steve reheated it and had it for lunch at work the next day. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out a lot. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!